Hey guys, Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. Today is going to be a special vlog. I'm actually going to shoot the entire video using the iPhone 11. Yes folks, this is using the brand new iPhone 11 from Apple. So what's the agenda for today? Two things. I'll kick things off with the mystery box unboxing. I actually received a package from iMore. They're a gadget accessory company based here. I don't know if they're in the Philippines or whatever, but they did send me a package. And then after that, I'll be bringing you guys along with me as I make my way over to BGC over at the fort to pick up two new Yeezys. The Yeezy Boost 350 Citrin and the Yeezy Boost 350 Cloud White. So yeah, just come along with me guys, let's go. So most of the footage you guys will see is using the ultra wide angle lens of the iPhone 11. I have a Rode microphone attached so that the audio is a little bit better, but the wide angle is pretty good because it allows me to get more, especially when I'm doing the vlogging setup. But anyway, this is a package from iMore and it says here, "Hi Sir Carlo, here is a little thank you from me to you. Don't forget to tag us at One More PH." So again, shout out to the awesome folks over at One More Philippines for sending us this care package. So I actually find it fun that I'm starting to get like tech stuff again because I've been doing sneakers for the longest time now and I kind of forget how it feels like to be a tech YouTuber. So anyway, let's get to the unboxing of this package. I'm pretty excited to see what they sent me. So I literally went all Hulk because it was so hard to open. So I just tore apart the box even if I had a knife. So we have the iMore. This is like the iMore dual dynamic driver Bluetooth in-ear headphones. And we also have like the iMore mascot over here, which looks to be some sort of cute bear. So let's open this up. So there you guys have it. This is the iMore mascot. So you have the bear with the iMore logo over there. And then we have the earphones. So this is the One More stylish dual dynamic driver Bluetooth in-ear headphones. Let me know guys what you think of this. Should I raffle it away? Let me know in the comment section. Maybe I will. So who knows? Thanks again to One More. Now for our sneakers of the day, since we are picking up Yeezys, it might be good to wear Yeezys as well. So as you guys can see, I have a bunch of the 700s from the V2s to the V1s over here. I'm a huge fan of everything not 350 because I mean, the 350 just gets so much attention that these amazing silhouettes from the 500s to the 700s to the V1s to the V2s are so underappreciated and underloved. So it looks like it's pretty good weather outside. Probably won't rain, so maybe now would be one of the rare times that we can actually pick this one up and use it. This is the Yeezy 500 Bone White. Now I'm kind of interested to see if the new iPhone 11 can actually do on-feet shots just as well as my Canon M6. So let's try that out right now. You know what? I just reviewed the footage and it actually looked good. I'm pretty impressed so far with the iPhone 11's video recording capabilities. We might have what could be one of the absolute best vlogging devices ever made. So let's keep testing that out. Let's bring it over to Fort BGC and pick up our Yeezys. Let's go guys. Brother rocking some Yeezys over there. What's up? OG Wave Runners. So guys, we're now here at BGC. We're going to pick up the Yeezys from Soul Academy. Soul Academy is one of the best sneaker lifestyle stores that you can find here in the Philippines. So we'll be picking up the Yeezy 350 Citrins and the Yeezy 350 Cloud Whites. So guys, we were able to get the package. So we'll be bringing it home and we'll start shooting the unboxing videos for both sneakers. Let's go. We're back in the car. So we just picked up the Yeezys. I went around and checked out a few sneaker stores. And at this point in the vlog, I just want to go home and we'll probably do an unboxing of the Cloud White before we call it a day. I'll be doing a dedicated review of the Cloud White and maybe an unboxing plus review video of the Citrin, and then maybe a comparison of the two Yeezys in the next few days. But at this point, I want to go home. I want to go over the footage. I'll probably switch back to my main camera, and then I want to talk about the vlogging experience on the iPhone 11 because that's actually the main point of today's vlog. I just want to see and take it out and try to use it as a primary vlogging tool. And I have so many insights and so many ideas on how to actually maximize this phone already. So this device isn't just really for, you know, texting and calling. I think ultimately, if you are a creator, if you're a YouTuber, this phone, this device, this supercomputer in your hand is one of the best investments that you guys can make. But anyway, let's go home, let's do some unboxing, and then let's talk about the iPhone 11. So as you can probably tell, I'm back here at the home studio and I've switched out from using the iPhone 11 back to my Canon M6, my Rode Pro mic, as well as my usual setup with the lighting. Now, I just wanted to chime in and talk about the iPhone 11's vlogging capabilities. Before anything else, I'll show you my setup. So I had the iPhone 11 over here. This is not the 11 Pro Max, this is the 11, the more affordable version that will come out. I really feel that this is a much better value compared to the 11 Pro Max. But I'll also get that phone and do a review on that one. Watch out for that in the coming days ahead. So I had the iPhone 11. I just used the default camera application. I didn't use Filmic Pro or whatever professional grade type of video capturing app. And then I had this Rode well, not this one. I had this Rode microphone with a lightning port that you can actually connect already to the iPhone. So it looks something like this. So you just plug it over here, and then you can actually put this dead mouse over here, or dead rat, or whatever you call this one, so that it can filter out the sound from the wind. And then I would mount it on this tripod. This is the tripod from Manfrotto, if I'm not mistaken. And I just have like an iPhone, a phone like holder, which I attached to this one, and then I would hold it like your typical vlogging camera. So it would look something like this. You have the microphone over here, you have the iPhone, and then you have the tripod. So if I'm vlogging, let's say towards myself, and I want to talk to the camera, it's like this. Problem is, I don't have a viewfinder or I don't have a flip screen, so I don't know if I'm in frame. But thankfully, we have the ultra wide mode now with the new iPhone, something that Android devices had in the past. But finally, now with the iPhone, we have it, so it is so much easier to vlog with the iPhone 11 compared to the iPhone 10, the iPhone XS Max, the iPhone 8 Plus, all the previous iPhones. The simple addition of the ultra wide is a game changer as far as vlogging with the iPhone is considered. Now, if I were to, for example, point the camera at a certain object and I want to talk over it, I'll just flip over this microphone over here, like so, and I can actually talk directly to it. While the good thing about this particular setup is I can actually see what the camera is pointing towards, right? So it's easier to narrate, it's easier to talk over, and that's the beautiful thing about this Rode microphone that I have. And again, you can just plug this one like so that you should filter out the wind. The only issue that I have having this particular, like whatever you call it, filter, is that if you switch it to ultra wide, there is a tendency for the fur to actually appear. The frame can actually catch it, so it's kind of annoying. So how is the iPhone 11 as a basic vlogging device? I like what I mentioned, the ultra wide, a game changer, ultimate game changer. Apart from that, the stabilization is intense. I mean, I was walking all over BGC, and some of the footage that you guys saw earlier, it was so stable. It was as if I was using the iPhone on a friggin' gimbal. So definitely massive props over to the Apple team for putting together such an amazing, impeccable video recording camera with this phone. Oh, before we end, two things. Let me just man, I saw the baby version of the Yeezy Boost 350 V2 Cloud White. It was so cute. It was so small. It was for like 2-year-olds, and I was actually in the thinking of buying it just so I could use it some sort of like decorative piece for my backpack. You know, use it as some sort of like keychain or like some sort of like, well, bag charm. The issue was it was selling for like a whopping 8,000 plus pesos. So if you're balling and if you want your kid to look like a hype beast, please be advised that the Yeezy Boost 350 Cloud White right, is available in infant and kid sizes over at Soul Mini. Check them out. Again, only issue there is that it is a bit pricey and chances are your kids will outgrow the shoes fast. So just think hard about it before pulling the trigger. And with that said, I hope you guys enjoyed our vlog for today. I will be doing more content about the iPhone 11 in the coming days. Also, hopefully I get to get my hands on the new Huawei Mate 30 Pro. I'm super intrigued with that phone. I really want to review it. I really want to test it out, especially with the issue that it currently has. You know what I mean? But man, I want to get my hands on that compared to the iPhone and compared with the Samsung Galaxy Note 10. It's such a fun time to be alive in the world of tech, right? So, but anyway, that's it for now, guys. I hope you're all having a great weekend, and I pray that you all have an amazing week ahead. Peace. God bless. What's up? Boom.